Hey guys, Pablo here. In this video I'm going to show you our update with our application Zenva Sky. It is a VR app that we are developing as part of the Intel Ultimate Coder Challenge. So we are in this competition, this is week 5, and we are developing the world's first application to teach basic computer science concepts in virtual reality. So let's go to Unity so I can show you what the project is looking like. Now, first of all of the models that you see here, all of these elements are just placeholders. We still don't have our final artwork done. But what I want to show you is this level in particular, which is a basic coding challenge, basically. You've got an AND gate and an XOR gate. So what you want to do is, this is going to be your vehicle, and you want to reach the goal, which is that sphere there. So what you want is to make this true so that the gate disappears. And to make an AND gate true, we need to have all of their entries need to be true as well. So we need to turn this guy here into true, and that will turn it green. And also we need this XOR gate to be true, for which we need one of the two inputs to be true. So now how can we do that in virtual reality, and how does that relate to teaching coding? Well, let's go and see. I'm going to put on the headset and be right back. Okay, here I am. So we've got our gates there, and we want to turn that thing to green, and we want to turn one of these two to red, which is false. So all of this stuff will be much more clear once we have the final models, because they will say 0 or 1. So what I'm going to do is I want to move forward. So I'm going to enter the move command. And as you can see here, we already had a move command, so I'm going to go and remove one of them. So we want to move forward, and then I want to activate that gate. So that will make it go to false. Now I want to rotate, and I want to move forward again. I'm going to be in that cell over there, but now I want to go all the way here. So I will need to rotate in this direction, and I will need to move one time. Then I will need to activate that gate, so I'm gonna enter the activation again. Then I will want to rotate back to where it says AND gate. So I'm gonna rotate in this direction, I think. I might actually not get it right. This is the most advanced of the challenges that I have so far. And then I'm gonna move 2 times in that direction. There we go. So now let's go and execute this. So as you can see, we are now moving towards the first point, and once we reach that point, we should see that cannon up there shoot and activate and deactivate it, basically. So now we got rid of that XOR gate. In reality, we turned it into true or 1, so we need I should be indicating that that's the case. And now we're going to this second one, and we want that one to be true as well. So that we should be somewhere here, and I would expect that to happen, yes. And now we're going to rotate and head over to the final destination. So that is this level in particular. As you can see, it is a coding challenge. You get all the code here, and you can also remove some of those lines. Well, that's all that we've got so far. We've got 6 of these challenges in total. And for next steps, a big thing I want to do is add some kind of conditional, some kind of sensor to the vehicle that can take different actions if a condition is true. And the other thing that would be interesting to have is some kind of repetition, like a loop. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.